So you're saying in front of everybody that today you, Joe, are going to get the motor out of that city, the whole thing in one go.
We'll edit that part out, but yeah.
You're going to lie to the viewers.
Oh my god,
Our 4 viewers are going to be lied to.
Why did that guy have 4 changes of clothes in the same day? To this stage, I'd like to apologise to Steph. She's our only viewer, so.
Carl?
Oh yeah, Carl too, yeah.
Sorry, Carl. We lied to you. Scrape test.
Getting out of the driveway.
Yeah. We're not pussy bitches here, alright? We lower our shit. Okay, I think we're gonna lift the car. We're pussy bitches. We're not lowering our shit. We are going to go to the city, but we just stopped for a coffee at Hampton Downs. And they have this museum here, which is pretty dope. So today we are cleaning out the lockup so that we can move the city into a better spot, which has included getting our little race car out of the way. This will just be another series of vlogs getting this thing sorted out, but this has been a great little race car for us. So what's the plan, Joseph? Yeah, it'll be better. We can't get the hatch or the door off where it is. We actually put it here because we thought we wouldn't be cracking into it for a few years, but yeah, we only got this lockup like a month ago, so we, in usual Peach and Joe fashion, have changed our mind. Oh, I was going to say changed our minds. Here it is. I don't think we've ever shown you the back because we've never had access to the back. Red. Oh, there's a little bit of rust here that we haven't really talked about.
Gutters.
Yeah, the gutters.
This is cutting edge fucking designs, man. It's a hell of a fucking bump stop you got there.
Are you telling me that's the suspension in the rear?
That's the suspension in the rear, yeah.
Okay. Beauty. Oh.
That's the suspension we're looking at.
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't know if that's like a seafaring jet ski anymore.
Yeah. She still floats.
What you got there, mate?
This is a fucking mighty turbo that's going on it. Bought this years ago. One spare turbo in pieces. And one complete one that came with a rebuild kit. It's a T25, I believe, of a CA18. Fucking perfect for the city. Fucking tiny though, like 0.48 AR, which is the one that we run on the stage is twice the size, and that's small, 0.82. So.
definitely the same day as when we told you we were going to get the motor out. We were definitely telling the truth.
I just needed to change of clothes and I got a haircut.
And I look more homeless.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to take the motor out today. Probably. Joe, I think you left the coolant in it.
Nah. Usually works. I don't know why it's not working. Come on, you fucking bitch.
Joseph, I'm gonna have to figure out how to bleep that out. I'm not that good at editing yet.
It usually works too.
It's quite a bit of coolant there, bro.
Nah, that's me.
Is there any water in that coolant, Joe, or did you just put coolant in it?
Probably just coolant.
Ah, so healthy.
Because I know better than the people that make it.
Oh, okay.
It's like whenever you use like car wash, it says just put like 50 ml to 5 litres of water. I'm like, fuck you, I want a strong concentration. So I put half a litre to 5 litres. And then it's just like, man, I go through this shit so fast, it's so expensive. Oh my god, not staged at all.
Oh, whoa, that just came out one go.
Yeah.
We didn't even undo anything. Joe wants me to take the pedal box off. So come with me on an adventure, because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Are you going to give me any direction, or am I just going to figure it out?
Give it a nudge. I'm sure you'll be fine.
Cool.
Very nice.
We didn't need that, did we? This is probably my most proud moment of pulling this car apart.
Going straight in the tip.
Because I have no idea what I'm doing. How's it looking under there?
Rusty.
Can you not play?
What?
Your playlist is so weird.
Sweat, baby, sex is a Texas drop me, and you do the kind of stuff that only Prince would sing about. So put your hands down my pants, and I bet you feel nuts.
Like that to like a residence.
Yeah.
We've got pals. This is Sarah's GDR. That's Sarah. I think in life you have to find friends with cool cars, right? Dope. This is why we never get anything done. Because all of our mates show up. By you? Oh, there's so much coolant pouring out of that.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. This is going really well. This is just... What do you want me to stand on? What?
There's a nut.
Sarah, you're so helpful. That was way more stressful to watch than I expected.
I can't believe we actually managed to get all the hoses on. Usually like one.